again. Good evening. 7:20 p.m. Saturday. Friday. Friday, Chris. Friday. Friday. I did not mention again my YouTube channel because I mentioned at the past several days. The meaning about my using this cup is not my own. This is my borrowing. The owner is I did not know where it's going. This is the meaning. If you are Islam requesting to me, I receiving. This is the word of the boy. The back of the cup using. This is the word of the boy Islam. The front girl Islam. And because of the I, so many memory in my mind because I receiving. So many is part of the Islam religion graduate because of the interpretation, the studying about the meaning. If you understanding, I don't know, the teacher of the Islam is giving the freedom to use the word of the casual uniform, the same at the normal before. I don't know, sir, because when I remember in my mind, the school, if you understanding about the clothes, about the whole uh, policy, you are giving the freedom. In I receiving. I I teach because so many people are judging, but the judging is very nonsense. The people going to the hateful because the judging to the people is nonsense, going to falling down. The judging, the same at the midwife, going up. In giving the peace of mind, clean. All the word of the mistaking is disappearing. That is the word of the judging, not the falling down. And teaching, the word of the school, not to be nonsense. In singing, the reality, that is my channel. Because my trial to from my own interpretation, my studying when I graduate. Graduate from Secret Knowledge and Power. And reincarnate myself. There's a reason the word of the is sliding. If you are in the Secret Knowledge and Power, you have a power to reincarnate yourself and to use the word of the mistake, the word of it that time. And just tell the word of spell, word of wood you get in when you are crossing at a motorcycle, what the time you want to die, what the cause of your dying. The same with the Kaartur Sulu. If you did not want, if you are disappointed to your life because so many traitor, no understanding. The Secret Knowledge and Power is studying, repeating the process of the 10 months. Only the thinking, heart, body, head, and proper breathing, and you have a normal life. And back to the normal. And then, about the symptoms of the, if you are the exactly level of your age, the symptoms of the sicknesses of the body, the same at the doctor, at the spiritual, the same at, but, if the lower body is upping as a pure body, the story of the Jesus Santo Espiritu, you feel the sicknesses of your life, the exact level of your age, you feel the sicknesses because of the boy and girl, the exactly of the age level. But all is upping until the thinking is disappearing. The equal eye is awakening in the body is a complete. That is the word of the full punishment I use to evaporate the all present to my thinking in giving birth again my life. Oh, so very hot. I feel my body at the back, at the front. Sometimes I did not speak because my feeling is not well. Let's go. Oh God. It because of the curing about the curing to the people, absorbing the first from the land, universe absorb. The universe is the word of the pentagram. Until the pentagram, from the pentagram, going to the tetragrammaton, the tetragrammaton is the body, but the clock is the thinking, determining, controlling, from the clock to the tetragrammaton, pentagram, from the pentagram, tetragrammaton, the clock, that is the word of the three word, Oha. My last song, before my instrument is disappearing, like the connection of the stomach get into the land, my father, have a nice day. My name is one. That is the word of the clock, the tetragrammaton, and pentagram. But only the beginning of my study, because the alphabetical letter I completely seven. The same at the daycare, the same at the school, family school. That is the word of the sicknesses. If you feel the sicknesses of your life, that is the complete body for me. Upping, evaporating from the present, upping to the thinking. The word of going to the genius, thinking, automatically speak. This is my speaking at in the future. Because they studying is tuning the exactly of the date of birth